When a patient presents with symptoms suggestive of appendicitis, a physician will often conduct a combination of physical examinations, laboratory tests, and imaging studies to confirm the diagnosis. Here's an overview of the process. 1. History taking. This is the initial step in diagnosing appendicitis. The physician will ask about the patient's symptoms, including the onset, nature, location, and severity of pain, as well as other associated symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, changes in appetite, or changes in bowel movements. 2. Physical examination. The physician may perform several physical tests to assess for appendicitis, such as abdominal examination. The doctor will palpate, touch, different areas of the abdomen to determine the exact location of the pain and if there is any rebound tenderness, a sign of inflammation in the abdominal cavity. In appendicitis, there's often pain or tenderness in the right lower quadrant of the abdomen, which is where the appendix is typically located. Rovsing's sign. Pain felt in the right lower quadrant of the abdomen when the left lower quadrant is palpated is known as Rovsing's sign. Psoas sign. This is pain in the right lower quadrant of the abdomen when the right hip is extended. It suggests irritation to the psoas muscle, which is near the appendix. Obturator sign. This is pain in the right lower quadrant of the abdomen with internal rotation of the right thigh, indicating irritation of the obturator muscle. Dunphy's sign. Increased pain with coughing. 3. Laboratory tests. Blood and urine tests may be done to help confirm the diagnosis and to rule out other conditions. Complete blood count, CBC. A high white blood cell count is often seen in appendicitis due to the body's response to inflammation and infection. Urinalysis. This is done to rule out urinary tract infections or kidney stones, which can cause similar symptoms. 4. Imaging studies. Imaging studies can help visualize the appendix and check for signs of inflammation. Ultrasound. An abdominal ultrasound can often detect an inflamed or swollen appendix. CT scan. This is often the preferred method for diagnosing appendicitis because it provides a more detailed image of the appendix and surrounding structures. MRI. This may be used in certain cases, such as pregnant women, where radiation exposure from a CT scan is a concern. If appendicitis is suspected based on the findings from these tests, the patient may be referred for surgery to remove the appendix before it bursts, which can lead to serious complications.